Choosing the right best drone can be difficult. That's why we've compared the top 5 models to make your decision easier. Number 5. Loiley X69 2K HD FPV Drone. Loiley 2K HD FPV Camera Drone, a foldable beginner-friendly drone featuring a 2K HD camera, Wi-Fi FPV live view, altitude hold, and easy one-key controls for smooth, fun flights. Priced at around $39.98, this drone offers excellent value with a 2K camera, 2 rechargeable batteries, beginner-friendly flight modes, and a carrying bag, making it a budget-friendly choice for first-time pilots. 2K HD camera with Wi-Fi FPV for real-time video streaming. Altitude hold keeps the drone stable for easier flying and smoother footage. One-key takeoff and landing simplifies operation for beginners. Headless mode makes directional control easier without worrying about orientation. Adjustable speed settings help new users learn before switching to faster flight. Performs exciting 360 degrees flips with a single command. Foldable design with a carrying bag for convenient travel. Includes 2 rechargeable batteries for extended flying time. Propeller guards and spare blades add extra protection and convenience. Pros. Affordable price with strong beginner features. Stable flight thanks to altitude hold. Easy controls for kids, teens, and adults. 2 batteries provide longer playtime. Portable foldable design with included carrying case. Cons. 2K camera quality is suitable for casual use, not professional aerial photography. Wind performance is limited, so it flies best in calm weather. Shorter control range compared to premium drones. Lacks advanced features such as GPS, obstacle avoidance, and 4K recording. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo, a lightweight 4K camera drone with a 3-axis gimbal, AI tracking, and long battery life, built for creators and travel enthusiasts. Priced at around $441.99, the Atom 2 Fly More Combo delivers premium value by including 3 batteries, a smart controller with a built-in display, a charging hub, and a carrying bag, making it a complete drone package without extra purchases. Captures stunning 4K/30 FPS HDR videos and ultra-detailed 48MP photos with a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor. 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps footage smooth and cinematic, even while flying. 8K photo mode provides high-resolution images with exceptional detail. AI track intelligently follows people or moving subjects for effortless content creation. AI night shot improves low-light performance for clearer nighttime footage. Record 2.7K vertical videos, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Enjoy a 10 km HD transmission range for stable long-distance flying. Fly up to 96 minutes total with the included 3 intelligent batteries. Creative modes like panorama, dolly zoom, cine roll, slow motion, quick shots, and P-Log help produce professional-looking videos. Weighing under 249 g, it's compact, travel-friendly, and easier to carry. Pros. Excellent 4K HDR video quality with a stabilized 3-axis gimbal. High-resolution 48MP photos and impressive 8K photo mode. AI tracking and creative shooting modes are great for beginners and content creators. 3 batteries provide outstanding total flight time. Smart controller with a built-in display removes the need to use your phone. Lightweight and portable for travel. Cons. Costs significantly more than entry-level drones. Digital zoom reduces image quality when used at higher levels. Wind resistance is good, but not as strong as larger professional drones. Advanced features may take some practice for first-time pilots. Number 3. Contixo F28 GPS Drone. Contixo F28 GPS Camera Drone, a lightweight foldable GPS drone designed for beginners, featuring auto-follow, one-key return, and easy FPV flying. Priced at around $54.97, the Contixo F28 offers solid value with GPS-assisted flight, intelligent flying modes, a carrying case, and a lightweight design that doesn't require FAA registration in the US. Records 1080p HD video for everyday aerial photography and videos. Built-in GPS positioning provides more stable and reliable flights. Auto-follow mode keeps the drone following you automatically for hands-free recording. One key return helps bring the drone back safely with a single button press. Waypoint flight lets you draw a flight path in the app for automated flying. Selfie mode makes it easy to capture photos and videos from unique angles. Up to 23 minutes of flight time on a full battery. Foldable design with an included carrying case for easy transport. Weighs only 90 grams, making it compact, portable, and no FAA registration required for recreational use in the US. Pros: affordable GPS drone for beginners. Auto-follow and waypoint flight add smart flying features. Lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. One key return improves flight safety. Good option for learning drone controls. Cons: 1080p camera is basic compared to modern 2K or 4K drones. 2MP photo resolution offers limited image detail. Flight range and camera performance are modest compared to higher-end models. Wind resistance is limited due to the lightweight design. Customer ratings are more mixed than many competing beginner drones. Number 2. Elecci E55 Air Drone. Elecci E55 Air Drone, a beginner-friendly camera drone featuring a screen controller, optical flow positioning, and 2 batteries for fun and easy flying. Priced at around $49.99, the E55 Air offers a complete starter package with a built-in screen controller, SD card, and 2 rechargeable batteries, making it a budget-friendly option for first-time drone users. 720p HD camera for capturing photos and videos during flight. Screen controller lets you view the camera feed without relying on your smartphone. Optical flow positioning helps the drone hover more steadily indoors and in calm conditions. Comes with 2 rechargeable batteries for extended flight sessions. 360 degrees flip function adds exciting aerial stunts with one button. One button return helps bring the drone back more easily. Speed adjustment allows beginners to start slow and gradually fly faster. Auto-follow and 1 key rotation provide extra fun flying features. Includes an SD card, phone holder, and other essential accessories right in the box. Pros: affordable starter drone with a complete accessory package. Built-in screen controller reduces dependence on a phone. Optical flow positioning improves hovering stability. 2 batteries increase total flying time. Simple controls make it suitable for beginners. Cons: 720p camera delivers basic image quality compared to 2K or 4K drones. Bluetooth connectivity offers shorter range than advanced transmission systems. Limited performance in windy outdoor conditions. Customer rating is relatively low, suggesting mixed user experiences. Lacks premium features such as GPS, obstacle avoidance, and a 3-axis gimbal. Number 1. DJI Neo 2 Bundle. DJI Neo 2 Bundle, an ultra-lightweight 4K camera drone with palm takeoff, gesture control, and intelligent tracking, designed for effortless aerial content creation. Priced at around $299, the DJI Neo 2 Bundle offers excellent value with premium DJI technology, 4K video recording, intelligent flight features, plus protective accessories like propeller guards, landing gear, and a gimbal bumper. Capture crisp 4K videos for high-quality aerial footage. Palm takeoff and landing lets you launch and land directly from your hand. Gesture control allows hands-free photo and video capture with simple gestures. Active Track automatically follows you, making it ideal for vlogs, cycling, hiking, and outdoor adventures. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing helps improve flight safety by detecting obstacles in multiple directions. Weighs only 151 grams, making it compact, portable, and easy to carry anywhere. Supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for quick pairing and operation. Includes lighted landing gear, propeller guards, gimbal bumper guard, spare propellers, and a USB-C cable for added protection and convenience. Foldable, travel-friendly design that's perfect for beginners and content creators alike. Pros: excellent 4K video quality in a compact, lightweight drone. Palm takeoff and gesture controls make flying simple and fun. Active track keeps subjects centered automatically. Obstacle sensing improves confidence while flying. Protective accessories are included in the bundle. Easy to carry for travel and everyday use. Cons. Includes only one battery, so extra batteries may be needed for longer sessions. Gesture controls work best in good lighting conditions. Advanced DJI features may require the companion app for the best experience. More expensive than basic beginner drones, but offers significantly better technology and performance.